Welcome to another episode of Evospace. And yeah, got lucky. Came over here, saw that there was only a couple more coal ore to go in, and then the coke. But let's see if we can hurry this up and make sure that it is going to work. Okay, we'll take that one out, and we'll take that one. And oh, this is not being used yet. So as soon as that clicks, we should get the coke in there. And there it is, going around. It's slowly saturating the factory. 86. You know what? Yep, got back from a ride, cleaned up, and I'm still not quite hydrated, so I've got my water bottle here. I've tried drinking Mountain Dew on the ride. Ooh, nah. Doesn't do well. I have to do it when I'm done with the ride. Okay, there it is. Yep, Coke got it. All right, it's working, so it should go ahead and be put into all the rest of the ones all over the factory. Yeah, all right. Slowly but surely, it's getting there. And, oh, that's right. Woohoo! Oh, and it allows me to travel faster. I'll have to remember that. I cleaned everything up. Yeah. I missed the copper fluid furnace, which takes the creosote and it comes in here. So it seems to be burning it pretty good. Oh, yeah, the coke is still sitting there building up. And so as it's being used, it will be consumed. And I hope this closed loop works. It should, I hope. But yes, it's a repeatable pattern now. Have them coming out, boom, coming into here. I have not put the coke into the line to feed the furnaces that are on the backside of these drilling rigs. And on cue, I went and I started researching some of the leftover stuff. And I'm 99.9% sure the rest of it here is steel. Steel production. Yes. Electric furnace. Yes. Flywheels. Kinetic energy conductor conducts kinetic energy, stores kinetic energy. So we can have multiples of these set up and going to different items. So we could have one furnace and then have it moving other items. I believe that's how it works. We will find out soon. Boilers. Turns heat and water into steam. Yes, and steam engines. Produces kinetic energy, and I think there's an electric one going on here somewhere. Okay, I'm one thing at a time. First, we got to start making some steel. So that is done. We've got 1,000 left there. What is this? Oh, it does. Oh, produces heat energy. You know what? Since there's 5,000 to go, let's make, and I don't have enough furnaces because I need more stone. Okay, well, let's go and gather up some stone. Ooh, jump. Oh, that's right. I've got to remember I can now launch myself. Oh. Okay, stone. Let's go over here. And we'll grab stone out of here. Oh, I was hoping there was going to be more stone there. You got any in there? Nope. You have stuff? Nope. Okay, how many can I make? Perfect. Almost. I was hoping for 8. But, okay, there's 7. Oh, man, what do these guys take? Oh, they take stone too. Okay. Wow. Okay. Well, let's run around and gather up some stone by hand. And then we'll come back and check and see how much we got in there. I would like to keep it symmetrical and have 8 of them going. And I know there's going to be a time that we are going to have to have it automated to where the coke is being put into the furnaces to keep the computers running because we're just going to be pumping out so much research later on. Oh, you know, this makes sense. Let's gather up some stone here by the beach. Yeah, go skip some rocks. Oh, they have bigger deposits out there? Okay, there's some more. I'm not paying attention to how much we're picking up at a time. 2 at a time. It's not going to be too efficient. Okay. Oh, yeah. There's some stone. Launch. Oh, my God. Okay. Having too much fun. Too much fun. Now, can I get... Not enough. Oh, wait. What if I click it? There we go. So let's just organize this. Oh, I've already got 10. Dang it. I didn't make 2 of them. But we also need more of those guys, and we need more stone. Wow. Dilemma, dilemma, dilemma. Okay, this is what we're going to do. Do I have a drill rig? No, I do not have a drill rig made right now, but we'll make another one. Boom. We will do a quick and dirty build here. We'll get some stone going, slam that in there. We're going to have to use up some of our furnaces, and we will, is it Shift R? Yeah, Shift R. And then we'll need a Stirling engine. And there. What's that? That's number 9 on my hotbar. And there we go. We'll rotate it there. Slap that. Oh, we got coke to slap in there. That'll last a lot longer. Okay. Then, we'll put a belt there. We'll get an arm to slap that in there. And let's see, do we have enough to make a stone chest? Just make it appropriate. Yes, there we go. Okay. Boom. And blammo. And we'll just let this fill up with stone. All right. There, that should keep us going for a while. Yeah. Okay, I can make 3 more. Do I have any made yet? Nope. Okay, you know what? There. We'll get it going. Oh, and let's make 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yeah, see, just like that. Okay, we'll go set up those 8. And deliver some coal or coke. Whatever we happen to have storage. Oh, no, we've got some coal being stored up there. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, we're going to have to clean all of this up anyways. Oh, and I forgot to get... let's see here. 5, 6... Oh. Oh. Let me double check. Hang on. I think that's 6. 7, 8, I hope. Computer. 8. Stirling engines. There's 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And just out of giggles, let's start over here. We'll do this here. And generators, we will get here. Nope, we need 1 more generator. Boom. We'll take that and put blue to blue for electricity. And Stirling engines there. And a furnace right there. Okay. So gotta have 8 of those. these guys. More of these. Oh, one short. Okay, stir one more. We'll get it real quick. And furnaces. All right. We need 8 stacks. There it is. Nope, that's stone. There's coal. We will disconnect it from there. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know what? That's probably not such a good idea on my part there. We can have it continue filling that. And later on, when we get electricity, we will make a proper computation station. All right, so there's one. Dumping in the coal ore. Boom, boom. Sort it. There we go. And oh, we got some coke there too. Okay. Jump up here and make sure we. Whoop. Oh, that's right. Let's go here. Hot damn. Oh, come on. They won't let me land on that. Well, I was robbed. I guess they're protecting the computers. Okay. Steel production. It's going to take 1,000 of those things to be made. Steel furnace. Oh. Steel production will let us into the electric furnace. And right now, we've got the steel furnace. Okay, but steel production, copper blast furnace. Uh-oh. I don't remember that one. But we need steel parts, steel pipe. But can we make steel right now? No, because okay, let's unlock it. Steel production, essential research. Essential research and essential research. Okay, boom, start research. There it goes. And computation, less than 2 minutes. Okay. Oh, sorry about that noise right there. That was my water bottle. Okay. Yep. All of them are going for it. I believe we are going to need a little bit of jittery. Iron, coal. So let's get do we have any iron sitting around? There's ruby. There's another coal deposit, but we still got this coal deposit. Oh, right there, pyrite ore. Okay. Oh, that'll work because then we're right here for here. But you know what? No, we'll keep this one for producing energy. And chromium. We'll use these two right here to make our steel. Okay. Let's see if we've got some research. No. Oh, but I think that opened up things for us. Automatic mining. Did I miss something? I'm looking at the titles and how much to do here. Oh. There it is. Copper blast furnace. Okay. Furnace for smelting steel. Reading is fundamental. And what do we need for it? We need building materials and pipes. Oh my God. We've got building material being made over here. Watch your eyes. Hell yeah. 848 building material. Okay. We'll take it. Yeah. Okay. So, oh, we can only make 10 of them. All right, let's make one and we'll go from there and see what we need to do. Oh, do I have, let me grab some more copper plates. Ba-ba-bum. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Woo. Okay. There we are. Okay, that's a good start on copper plates. All right. Oh, the fog's coming in. So yeah, that's Ruby. Okay, let's go find that coal ore cluster out there, dead ahead. And okay, watch your eyes. Here we go again. No, that's the Ruby cluster. Okay, so the coal. Is that it? No, that's pyrite. Oh, just to the right of us. Wait, is this it? Pyrite ore. Is that it in the water? Oh, yes. Yep, there it is. Okay, we had gotten that earlier. Well, that'll be nice. The water will take care of the rinsing of the coal ore. Okay. Let's first off, let's see what we need to make steel, and I'm hoping this guy will do it. Okay. You know what? Okay. Okay, what can we do? Oh, you know what we can do? Middle mouse button. There we go. Okay. In the copper blast furnace, we're going to need coke and iron plate. Or coke and iron dust. But steel plate is from steel dust. It's made in a steel arc smelter. To make steel dust, we need the copper macerator. Wait. Huh? Make steel dust. Used in steel dust. Okay, so to get steel dust. So steel dust, steel plates. Okay, that's good. Steel plate. Make steel dust. Okay, damn it. Thank you for bearing with me on this. We need coke. We need iron plates. Make steel plate. Oh, we want iron plates. Okay. Iron dust to make iron plates. Okay. Iron dust. Pyrite ore dust, iron dust, and magnetite dust. But to make iron dust. Oh, there it is. Copper macerator. Iron, made in steel ore washer. Iron dust. We just get iron dust out of steel separator. Okay. Wow. Okay, so we can use the copper smelter iron dust there. So to get the iron dust, we need pyrite, impure ore gravel. Oh, this is that multifunction. Okay. All right, hang tight. I'm going to poke around and see exactly what we need to do to make iron plates. Well, we need to get the iron dust, but there's some iron dust. See, you know, it's these three things. Pyrite, so we need a steel ore washer, composite. Okay, I'll see everybody in 2 seconds as soon as I figure out what the hell is going on here. See you then. Well, that only took about 10 seconds afterwards. As soon as I middle mouse buttoned on iron plates, we can use a copper smelter and use all of this. So the ores, pyrite ore or magnetite ore. So yeah, currently, I'm right next to a pyrite ore node, but I'm going to see if there's a magnetite. See, we were down here. Ruby, magnetite. What are these? Malachite, pyrite. Okay. Magnetite. Okay, so now I know the color to kind of look for that one. But you know what? We're going to do right here at this ore cluster the pyrite ore. So we're going to do that. And because what I did is there. I middle mouse button on this. And I went, okay, steel pipe. Oh, there it is. Iron plate. Iron plate is made in, so I totally bypassed this one. So we'll take the pyrite ore. It's going to take 36 seconds to make one in the copper smelter. Oh boy. Power the copper smelter. We're going to have to probably run coke over here. And okay. Damn. Wow. Okay, let me think about this layout because we're going to have to feed the copper smelters. But this one still consumes heat. Advanced smelting. Advanced smelter suitable for stainless steel smelting. No, I was trying to jump across some stuff. No, we'll do this, but we need steel parts to make it, so we need steel. And this one takes steel, so yeah, we'll be using the copper furnace for a while, and then getting the coke over here. Let's double check the map. Yeah, we'll use this one. We'll set up a coke production here. Yeah. Oh my God, look at that. We're gonna have to make a hell of a run for it. Okay. Wow. It is what it is. Yep. All right, let's just get this ball rolling. Okay. So let's, we'll make a couple of drills. Do I have, nope, drilling rigs. So let's make 2 drilling rigs to start with. Oh my God. That's a copper fluid. Oh, copper fluid furnace. Oh, nope. We need to have that recirculate into the copper oven to make coke. Okay, one step at a time. One step at a. Let's set up the drill rigs. But we will need at least 2 furnaces. We got 1 furnace right now, so let's make another copper furnace to get it going so we can kickstart this thing and see what the hell is going to happen. Oh, me, oh my. Wow. All right, let's, we'll build a platform here since we've got the material to work with, and we'll go right about that height. How's that one looking? Oh, not very well, but we'll clean it up here. There we go. Okay, there. So let's drop one of these drill rigs here. Yeah, we'll do one there. We'll start with 2. Oh, you know what? I forgot to check to make sure. Okay, yep. Oh man. Just getting everything okay. We're just gonna have to run a bunch of belts for now. Oh gosh. All right, let's get this going. Stirling engines. We're gonna need 2 of those to get this going. Okay, this is gonna probably be a multi-episode to get the steel up and running. So let's go Stirling engine. Ooh, I could put, oh, you know what? It just dawned on me. Boom, we could do this with the Stirling engine and go here and yeah, we put one there. We put one there. And then we can take the furnace and Alt R. There, drop that in there. Drop that in there so they're at the same level. as this, then we can have that there, and there we go. So we'll put one there, there. Okay, and you know, just so we don't clump this up, we'll run some belts out this direction just to get away from things. Boom. There we go. Yep. Okay. I don't have. I've got some coke on me. Oh, and I've got some wood too. Can we put that in the drill rig? Yeah, we can. Okay. Yeah, just to get things kind of going here. There we go. And pyrite ore it is. Okay. Got it. Now, as we lay this out, pyrite ore. Ooh, let me get some more material under there. Oh, did I just corner myself into the box? Yes, I did. You know what? There. It's good. Boom. Oh, how appropriate. Thank you, Rain. You're clearing up everything nicely. Thank you. All right. So, bum, 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 bum. You know what? Let's get this kind of like here. Actually, we'll do that one there. That one there. We'll do this and that. There. Now they'll all feed onto one belt. And we might even, you know, if we're going to do this, let's make it symmetrical and keep it going. Okay, one more drill rig. Boom. And pyrite ore. Okay, we can still get to the ore from here. So, oh, was it? Oh, no, we should have enough room. Oh, you're not letting me do it because of this? Do I have? Oh, probably because that's not supported there. There it is. Nope. Okay, how about you getting off of there? Come on. There it is. Why aren't you wanting? Oh, because it was hitting up against it. Okay. So we need another furnace. Another Sterling engine. And how are we doing on robotic arms? We're good. Belts, so far so good. All right, let's clean some of this up here. Make it a little bit easier. All right, so Sterling engine there. That goes in there. Boom. Boom. And we'll put that right there. Okay. Then make this symmetrical. Come on. There. Boom, boom, boom. Take this. Put that there. Put that there. And we'll throw some more wood into this one. Oh, it's expected stones. Oh, dang it. I didn't even watch to see what was going on with it. Oh, just missed it by one. Okay. Let me clean this up. Do what I need to do on it, so I will see everybody in 2 seconds. there we have it. Got it set up, symmetrical. And yes, so boom, have it coming in, hitting the T intersection like there, maybe a cross. Yeah, it is technically a cross, but we'll call it a T. And then here on the back side, yep, have them all still laid out there horizontally. It's working out. But I might end up reversing the direction on this belt. In fact, I'm pretty damn sure I'm going to, because over here, and we'll get sneak peek in what I've been messing around with. Sorry about the jumping, but you're getting a good look at it. I, here on the coal, I should say, I went ahead and put as many as I could, and it's 14 drilling rigs. I'm pretty damn sure the belts are not going to handle that much. I haven't done how many per minute these things are pumping out, but future-proofing it so that way we can just come in, add the faster belts, and continue it pumping out. It's been working quite nicely. I just kickstarted it with one piece of coke in here. In fact, you know what? I'll build another one here and show you how I kickstarted it, because we're going to need it. But yeah, just made this setup. So, in fact, let me see. Do I have another one? Let's get... Where's the oven? There's the oven. Boom. And we can upgrade the ovens too as we go along. So, yeah, I'll get this. But, you know what? Let's do this first. We'll demonstrate how I kickstarted this thing. And we'll go here. And then take some pipe work. Oh, what happened to my pipe work? Okay. Well, let's make 25 of them. We're going to need some. All right. So then we take... Come on. Show me the pipe work. Copper pipe. Okay. What the hell happened? Is it... Huh. I wasn't copying it with the cube. All right. We'll go here. Well, oh, dang it. That's why. Heat pipe. Oops-a-daisy. I needed copper pipes. There. Oops. There it is. So we'll take this. We'll go here. And in fact, you know what? We'll set the rest of this up. And we'll go here to the middle. We've got that one pulling the coke out and sending it on down there to be used. And then I need one more electric furnace to kickstart. Or copper furnace. Copper furnace. So, boom, boom, boom. We got that in there. So the system is completely empty, and so is the pipework. There's nothing in there. So, to kickstart this, I dropped in one piece of coke. It consumed it, and it will burn this coke. And to get that started, boom, put that in there. Oh, you liar out of me. Oh, maybe I've got to do that. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There. Oh, I didn't have enough. Oh, it took 10 pieces of coal. Okay, so as this is going along, this is gonna burn and do its thing, and I believe one cycle of this will work. In fact, let me do this. We'll double check. Maybe not. Okay, we'll put some more coke back in there. There, we'll leave it in there. And that burned one piece of coke. And it's halfway done. Okay, so it'll take 2 pieces of coke to kickstart this thing. Then as soon as it does, it'll produce more coke and 1.5 of the creosote. Let's see if we can see it as it comes up. Oh, another sip of water. Oh, and don't worry, I'll be making up the dew consumption later on. Oh, yeah. Boom. Okay. So that did that. It is now full. It's not doing anything with the creosote because it's all backed up. So 0.7 plus 0.3. So 1.0 creosote. All right. So we take that out. then, let's make sure. Yep, I've got one there. A copper fluid furnace. We'll do that. And we'll pump some creosote into it. And come on. Oh, we probably need more coal. There. And why did I do that? Because we've got more over here. So we'll stick this one in right there. We'll bring some belts down. Boom. So I did not need to manually put that first piece of coal ore in here. Could have just used this. But there it is. It's starting to fill it back up. The coke is coming out here. And that's how I kickstart it. And that one's been, well, that one's shut down right now. Because you can look at and see the gauges where they're pointing to the left and these guys are pointing to the right. All right, let's go. And I'll wrap this around. This is a splitter, which I'll end up taking the coke. Got to take some of it back over there to keep those pyrite drilling rigs going. And then somewhere out here, make a steel facility. I'm looking at maybe right up here, because this seems to be the high point. Or maybe we should just shoot it straight off there and work it right in here. Yeah, let's do that. All right, but you know what? Oh, that's right. I can jump. Oh man, that makes me nauseous sometimes. Ooh, like just right there it did. Okay, few and far between. So boom, we'll connect this in. And again, a splitter right there, so we're good. And then it'll come around and start filling all of these. And yes, I do have them pointed the right way. I tested the one on the very end before I laid out the rest of these. Because, yeah, I've learned my lesson. Test one and then lay out the rest instead of laying them all out. Yep, there it goes. And this is pumping out coal ore. Deposit capacity used 21 of 300. Not enough yield in the source for this machine. Okay, we'll see what happens. And found out also, you know, there. Let me get here in the shadows. You can see that is not a belt that I laid down. I just laid the one down here in the middle. So now those are T-boning into this and taking it down. Is this overkill? Again, hell yeah. But we'll get there. All right, maybe. Okay, watch your eyes. All right, let's go over here. And we'll get this going up here. You know what? While we're running around, is there something we could be researching? God, this is all taking steel. Kinetic heater, basic coils, inventory upgrade. Yeah, we'll start the research on that. And hopefully there's enough fuel to keep this thing going. And in the bottom left, it's going to take 40 minutes. Okay, we're good. We are good for a while. But let's lay out this. And we'll take it down this way. Oh, no. Oh, that saved my ass. Okay, and right there. Yep. And we'll just take, ooh, are we gonna actually, oh, yes, we are gonna just skim across the top. Oh, hell yeah. Now, I didn't have to lay that out. I could have just put the belts all the way down there, but let's do this. I could split the coke right from there, put a splitter in, and run it out this way. Because, a refresher, sand. Oh, I guess I gotta go drop that off. There it is, blast furnace. To make the iron plate, we're taking the pyrite ore and making iron plate. Okay, so that's what we've got to do first. And that's gonna go copper smelter. Okay. We got that. Well, this is gonna take this will take all of the coke that we're making. We can bring it over straight over here. Yeah, in fact, you know what? Let's see if this will act like a splitter. No, because that's only going downward. Oh. Had to double check. And boom. And one splitter coming up. So we will get rid of that one. And put the splitter in. And again, the white square towards where we want to go. And now it'll evenly split it. All right. Okay, we'll take this over here because with the ovens, I can just take them straight out that way and even do it side by side. Yeah, have put ovens on this side and make another row right here. Okay. So let's get this going. We will see how far this goes until can't go any further. Actually, we could do that. Yeah, but we'll leave some wiggle room here. Yeah, this looks like a good spot. So we'll take this to here-ish. And then we will have it go upwards. There it is. And go up, up, and copy that. And boom, bring it out horizontally. And it probably should be confirming. Yes, there it is. Okay, so now we've got Coke. And let's bring the pyrite down here. Oh man, still got to build the Coke over to there. You know, what am I doing? Yeah, we're gonna have to belt the Coke over there. You know what? Let's just do this. We will take and run this belt back this direction. Oh, we can go through that. Good. There. Okay. Pyrite is on its way. I'm going to put another splitter right here. Oh, if I hit the right key, sorry about that. 1, 2. Yeah, we'll leave an opening there. You know what? Oh, we only got a few plates left. Okay, I'm going to be stingy with the copper plate. Yeah, let's do that. And we'll put this in here. So we put a second row. You know what? If we put a second row of ovens on the other side, that's a problem for later. We'll figure it out. And yeah, we want to keep that open, so we'll keep it tight here-ish. And run this. Excuse me. Woo. Oh, what happened? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, I got to be pointing at the ground. Okay. Let's see if we can trench it. Make it through here. I don't know, somewhere right about there. How far down can we go? Ooh. Oh, there's a natural trench right there. And we've got another spot right here. So let's take this out. And make sure we get all of this out. All this just for the iron plates. And I'll definitely be putting in a storage box for it. Okay, so let's see how this is going. There, and we'll take it something like that. We're on the same level? Nope, we're off by a couple. Okay, no worries. And we'll take this. You know, let me trench through. Yes. It's nice. Okay. And we'll go upwards. And then there. Just in time. Okay. The loop is built. And oh, that's right. It T-boned into it. Okay. Sorry about that. And then that'll feed all of it in. In fact, we still got wood left in there? Nope, coke. Okay, I think I put wood in one of these. Nope, coke. No, I split it. That's right, about 30 a piece. Yep. Okay, coke is on the way. All right, we'll get some more pyrite over here. Okay, and there. Okay, now let's double check here. Copper blast furnace. We're making iron plate. That's right, it's going to be in the copper smelter. Okay. Should have kept that one at one lower level. In fact, let's do that. We're going to clean this up real quick. We'll put the coke in the bottom. No, we'll put the coke in the top. Yeah, we'll do an inverter setup, kind of something like this. Let's go. Not like that. Yeah. And, you know, just for illustration purposes, like thus. Yeah. So we'll put the pyrite here in the bottom, the coke in the top, and then we can pull the iron bars out of the bottom. In fact, you know, this is going to be a damn good setup right here. Now, lay it out for here. And, woo! Sorry about that. That can be right. Yes. Okay, so these guys, they're going to go in here like this. And then it'll be coming out there, and then we will put the coke in there. And these guys will go that way. That's the direction we can expand. We could always split going that other direction too. We've got all that room right here along this line to add more furnaces or arc furnaces or whatever as we expand. Okay, and then we will also take the iron bars out. Oop, one. This way. There. Now we got to get the coke up there. And crapper stash. We'll drop in one more. No, we can't because we've got to put, actually, yes, we can. Sorry, thinking out loud. So we'll get rid of this. Watch your eyes. There it is. And we'll go up one more. And then we'll come across right like that. Yeah. Yep, this is going to work. And there. Yep. Boom, boom, boom. Coke goes in. High right here at the bottom. There. Iron plate coming out. Yes. Okay. Just cleaning this up. Okay. Yeah. Boom, boom. Dang it. Keep hitting the wrong button. Okay, if we do this, I don't know however many that is. Now we'll put 8 in for the beginning, so we need 7 more. So we will craft 5, 6, 7, and I've got 4 copper smelters. So we will make 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Robot arms, we need to get some more. We'll just craft 25. That should cover it. And we got plenty of belts. We got 47 belts left. Okay. Oh, iron, yes. Okay, so let's get, so we'll go 6 out. Oh, 6. There we go. Oh, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's that. And go like right there. And there's that. And we'll copy that. Oh, come on. Just for the time being. Get me up there. All right. We will actually, let's do this. So if we decide to expand, yeah, we'll keep it on this side. Watch your eyes. Okay, we'll take them off of here. And, oh, yeah, we'll make a steel chest later on. Do I have none of the copper? So we'll make 1 copper chest. And grab it and pop it right there. There it is. And these will stack in 128. Okay. Oh, look at all those organics. Got to figure out what to do with organics later on. Okay. We'll do a little bit more house cleaning here. Okay. Wow. Yeah, we're going to have to drop down some more ovens. Let's put down 2 more ovens. But we'll get 1 more going here. Oop. And bring it out enough right there. Huh. Why we hit that? Oh yeah, yeah, okay. It's orientated correctly. Yeah. And we'll make some room for another. And we're gonna have to leave a space. Boom. Okay. I'll go ahead and continue on slapping these puppies on down. Oh yeah, look at that. We're at least it's backed up there, so the pyrite's coming out. So we just got to have enough coke to process that stuff over there. And yeah, and as time goes along, we'll upgrade these arms. Because those are 150 degrees. Oh, they're not going to show us the copper ones. Okay. Trying to cheat. Let's see here. If we come in here, we got no. We want the blast furnace because this is going to make steel plate, and steel plate should be used in making of the arms, the robot arms. Tier 2. There they are right there. Degrees per second, 225. All right. That's what we'll do. Okay. One step at a time. One step at a time. Dang. Wow. Hopefully the sun won't be in our eye. Let's do something like this. Yeah, there it is. All right. Thank you for joining me on this journey in Evospace. And as always, enjoy life and be safe. And drink the dew.